Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be on 5 improvements in iOS 14's measuring app that are only for the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max have one huge thing that sets them apart from the iPhone 12 and 12 mini siblings along with the other iPhones is a LiDAR scanner. Thanks to this new technology, Measure, an Apple app that's just over 2 years old, has gotten even better and more powerful. For ARKit-compatible iPhone models, Measure becomes the new home for the level tool that used to reside in Compass. But iOS 12 brought an entirely new feature, the ability to measure objects with your camera. Its augmented reality is in the simplest form and one of the most helpful AR tools when you don't have a real tape measure or ruler handy. However, it wasn't very accurate. Apple's iOS 14 version of Measure on the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max aims to fix that. Feature number 1. You get more accurate measurements. The new LiDAR stands for Light Detection and Ranging. Self-driving cars have been using this tech for some time now, but the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max use it for different purposes than driverless vehicles. When the LiDAR scanner is being used, it sends out flash pulses at nanosecond speed, covering the environment in front of your rear camera system. These small laser beams pulse returns to the sensor, where it can use the time of flight to determine the distance between your camera and all the objects it found within 5 meters, or roughly 16 feet. Then it builds a 3D point cloud to map the space. The LiDAR scanner not only lets the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max get a more accurate measurement of distance, but it also helps map shapes more precisely. While this helps in many different areas, from better autofocus to improved photography in dark environments, it makes any measurements you make in the Measure app more accurate, since it can better understand the spatial relationship between you and the objects seen in the viewfinder. Feature number 2. You can measure someone's height quickly. With the improved accuracy in measurements, Apple included a new feature in Measure that can measure a person automatically in the viewfinder, as long as you can see the whole body from the bottom of the feet to the top of their head, hair, or headwear. You can even measure someone that's sitting down. Once the software detects a person, it instantly measures them and provides the results. Feature number 3. Measurements can be viewed as a ruler. Since the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max can measure space more accurately, Apple has included a new ruler view for zoomed-in views of a measurement. Just measure the distance between 2 points like you normally would, then move your camera closer to that measurement until you see the ruler view appear. This will let you see inches and feet in increments. Feature number 4. Straight edges are easier to measure. Another exclusive Measure feature for the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max makes measuring the height and edges of object with straight edges such as furniture, countertops, monitors, window frames, and so on. Whenever you measure a straight edge object, point the dot at the position on the straight edge, and an edge guide will appear across the entire length of a straight line. Find your first point, tap the plus button to lock it in, then slowly pan across the line until you reach the mark on the other end of the measurement. And last, feature number 5. You can view and save recent measurements. While this isn't available on the iPhone 12 and 12 mini, along with the previous iPhones, we're not sure, but it comes in handy on the iPhone Pro models. In the measuring app interface, the undo button has been moved to the bottom opposite the screenshot button. Up top where the undo button used to be is now a list button. Tap that and you'll be able to see all the recent measurements you took from the current session. From here you can tap clear all to clear all, clear them all and start fresh, or you can tap copy to save all the history from your clipboard, where you can then paste it into another app. You can also tap on individual measurements to focus on it, then copy just that one to your clipboard. So that's my video on 5 improvements in iOS 14's measuring app. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.